Welcome to the Clipper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to change age in your Roblox. Now, it is very simple. For this, you can do it either in two ways. One, using the browser, or two, using the Roblox app. I'm going to show you guys how to do it on the browser. It's just the same step on the app. So for the browser, just open up your browser and go to roblox.com. And from here, on the top right side, you'll see a settings button or the gear button. This is basically the settings button even on the app. Just click on this. From here, just go ahead and click on settings. Then you'll be brought onto this page. As you can see, I have my birthday here. And to edit this, what I have to do is just click on this pen icon over here, which is going to help me change my birthday. And after that, I can change it from here just to anything I want. Just do it. Now, in two-step verification, it's going to send a code over to your email. Just paste that code here from your email. And after you paste the code here, just click on verify and it will verify the birthday for you. Then just click on continue. And after that, as you can see, my birthday has been added here. Then I need to verify my age. To do that, just click on verify age. And just wait for this pop-up to come up. And from here, I need to verify my age using different methods. I can do it either with a driving license or a state ID or passport or a passport card, whatever, just anything from here. So select the one you want to verify your age with and you have to upload that to Roblox and they will verify your age through it. Now, if you're a child and you cannot verify all this, what you have to do is make sure your parents have enabled parental access on your account. Then you have to tell your parents to go to their account and allow you to verify your age. And doing that will make sure your age is verified on Roblox. And basically that is how to change age on Roblox. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe.